facing you. Kind of like that. Hi everyone. If you're interested in delicious recipes, some healthy, some not so healthy, and if you're interested in organic cleaning, organic gardening, home remedies, make sure to click the subscribe button, also the bell, so you're notified every time I upload a video. So let's get to it. Today I am going to review my new favorite kitchen gadget. Well, I wouldn't say new because I don't really have a favorite kitchen gadget, so that would be my first favorite kitchen gadget. I bought it for myself for Christmas and I'm loving it. And this is not a paid advertisement, nobody asked me to do that. I literally went to the store, bought it for myself for Christmas, used it for almost 4 months, almost on a daily basis, and I thought I should share it with you because if anything, this product makes my life so much more healthier. I am eating a lot more produce on a daily basis just because it's fun to slice, and once I slice the produce I kind of sort of have to eat it. So I hope you enjoy. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you how I've used the product so far and the things that I've been slicing so far. And if you've kept this product and used it for other things, please let me know in the comment section below and I will try other products as well, but this is how I've used it so far. And the last one, it's my absolute favorite. We're going to start with few basics. So this is the product itself. I'm going to take it apart just to show you how easy it is to put it back together, or once you get it in the box you're going to have to put it together. A little assembly required. It's not the IKEA type of deal, you don't need to be a pro, but it does need some assembly. This is the base, then you slide this one, and then you take these two and you put them together, and these are the 3 different slicers that come with it. So very important thing about this slicer. If you look in the bottom, you have this rubber thing that basically it sticks to your countertop. So when you put it down, it's kind of hard to lift, but you can still lift it up. But once you put this little thing over here on the side, it basically sucks air and it vacuum seals it to your countertop, but it is absolutely secure. Now, if you want to remove it and clean it, you just have to, can you see from my sleeve? You just have to lift this one up, releases the air, but if you try to lift it now, it's moving, but you can't lift it from the counter. So you have to grab this little thing right over here and just gently pull it up, and it lets air underneath the rubber. It's very easy to remove. So we have 3 different slicers. I will demonstrate which one individually, but this is what they look like right here. These are the 3 slicers, and you basically just have to put it with the, I guess, the smooth side or whatever you want to call it, facing you, kind of like that. It's very easy, you just have to click it. Very convenient. Just make sure that that little part over here is going down so it latches right here. Now, as far as cleaning, very easy to clean. Since you're just slicing produce, you don't really need to use any product or other cleaning solutions. However, if you're slicing carrots or red beets, because it is plastic, it does leave some residue right over here. I would recommend as soon as you use it, just rinse it. This is the best way to clean it. But, for example, carrots and red beets do leave residue, orange or red. You may have to use just a little brush and a little bit of dishwash soap. Now, I'm going to show you the different ways you can use this slicer to make your kitchen way more fun than it is right now. The thing that I use the slicer the most for, it's apples, as I put apples in my salad every day, and I use the Honey Crisps, but I'm sure you can use any apple you like. And you see how fun these slices are? You can put them in a salad or you can just eat them. And if your kid doesn't want to eat apples, get one of those. And the red slicer is the one that works the best for apples. The other 2 are not working with the apples at all. So don't waste your apples. Alright, next on my list is cucumbers. And for the cucumbers I only use the green and the red one. And the green one spaghettize them, makes them like spaghetti, and I use them in my cucumber and yogurt salad. And I'm slicing the cucumbers in half, otherwise the spaghettis are way too long to manage to eat. But it's a lot of fun. And with the red one, I slice the cucumbers like a little, they turn out like a little curly bow, and I use them to either make the salad or decorate veggie platters.
And the zucchinis are a lot of fun. So I start by slicing them in half again so they're more manageable. I'm using all 3 slicers, so this one, the green one, spaghettize them, and you can put them raw in your salad or you can fry them. Now, when you fry the zucchinis that you sliced with the green spaghettizer, they're very skinny, so you should fry them for no more than, I would say, 45 seconds at the most. Otherwise, they will disintegrate. They're a little too skinny for that. And when you use the orange spaghettizer, then the zucchinis come out a little thicker, and you can actually taste them after you fry them. So I would recommend this one if you're gonna fry them and eat them. The other one, the green one, it's good for if you're gonna use them to decorate a plate, but with the orange one, they're definitely more fun to eat. Now with the red slicer, they do come out very pretty, and they're nice to use in a salad or to decorate a veggie plate. But if you're gonna fry them, not much left after you fry them in a deep fryer, so definitely have them fresh. Now, when it comes to French fries and potatoes, I am never cutting potatoes by hand ever again to make French fries because that was so much fun. And you can only use the orange spaghettizer, so that would be the one that makes the thicker spaghetti. And again, don't fry them too much. Try a couple of times with shorter slices until you find your sweet spot. One of my new favorite salads is carrots and turnip, and I'm gonna post a recipe, maybe my next video. But I'm using the green spaghettizer, the one that makes the skinny spaghettis. So I'm spaghettizing the carrots and the turnip, and that is a lot of fun. And last but not least are the sweet potatoes. And I don't need nearly as much sweet potatoes as I should, so getting the spiralizer was the best decision I've ever made as far as consuming more sweet potatoes. So for the sweet potatoes, the only slicer that works is the red one. The other two are just destroying the potato. Anyway, you use the red one, you cut the potatoes like this, and then you fry them, and these are the best sweet potatoes chips you will ever have.
If I did a good job presenting this product, and if you think you will enjoy it yourself, down in the description section I'm gonna put a link to the Amazon website where you can purchase it. And before you go, right now here in a few seconds I'm gonna start adding videos with some of my favorite Bulgarian recipes, and also there is gonna be a little round picture of me. If you click on that picture, you can subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I will really appreciate every new subscriber. I love all of you guys. Stay healthy!